Welcome back to the vlog. It's another day in Croatia. We're going to be taking a boat that goes off to 3 different stops, stopping off at like different beaches. One place called Lombardada where they have nice little wine tasting vineyard. Another place called
Winery, and then Lumbarda. I think it's spelled B-A-D-J-A.
Sun is shining. So yeah, it should be a really nice day.
Right, we need to go. Should we go past the water taxi?
So we got our little peach juice. Ella's got her matcha.
There's one restaurant on this island.
Are we gonna go? Oh, we got our line.
We've got our stuff. This is so lit. Turn the camera around. Back.
What? Look at how clear that water is. Oh my word. Oh, no wait, sorry.
PA strikes again. I've done well.
Boom. Loa's coming in clutch with the planning. Our little breakfast spot. Not a bad view. A nice little salmon hummus sandwich.
Really tasty actually.
Start the day right.
And really good salmon.
It is actually. Is it Joe Wow approved? Wow.
Exactly what you mean.
Just swam from this spot all the way to that palm tree and back. Did it 3 times, so 6 total lengths. And I thought each length, by looking at it, would be about 100 meters, but I've just checked on the go map, and they're actually about 150. So I did just did a nice kilometer swim, which is perfect open water training for September, and feeling pretty good about it. Definitely need to work on my breathing technique. I'm working on a different stroke that's meant to preserve energy, but just haven't quite figured out how to do it with smoother breathing. But definitely feeling good, and hopefully at some other point this holiday I'll be able to get a nice, even longer swim in, maybe pushing up to 1.6, which will be halfway of the distance I need to do, which feel like a good point at this time in the training program. They come really close to humans. They are quite friendly, it seems. There's a nice little baby one up here. I'm going to show you guys. Hello.
Clear, and suddenly gets really deep there. Very spatial fears?
No. Lots to explore on the island. Not really sure what this used to be. But look at this. Look at that water.
See how pretty this place is.
Quickly thrown together tuna mayo sweet corn sub. Bob. With one hell of a view. No.
Oh, uh-oh. This might not be a good idea for flip-flops. Anyway, just finished with swimming at the beach. Hello. Let's go.
Look at how clear this water is.
And there were loads of urchins who actually just keep shedding water rages. Joe, you saw, looked at the deep, deep water.
Are you ready, vlog? Today's another day. And another day for exposure therapy. You're going to see what I'm about to look at. And you're going to see my reaction. This is it. 3, 2. Oh my god, that dropped off so quick. It was scary.
But it was fine because it was just a load of reeds and some like sand. And then we just practiced a few jumps into the water for me, which was fun. The last one I got a load of salt water at my nose, but it actually wasn't that fun.
Actually introducing a couple of twists.
It was the twist that caused the water to stop my nose. But now we're walking back to the port bit. see if we can fill up our water because it's a very thirsty day.
That's the problem with swimming in salt water. You just actually do dehydrate so quickly.
I feel like I've just constantly eaten like salt and vinegar crisps. We're going to try head to Lumbarda, which is somewhere over there somewhere. We're going to go to a winery. Oh, that's cute. Not sure what Rennick would hold. There wasn't much online about it, but that was the clearest water I've seen since the last clearest water I've just seen at, what's it called? Barja?
Yeah.
Barja? So if the next place is even clearer, that'd be amazing.
Amazing.
Cool. Bye. Lumbarda.
Okay, we made it to Lombardada, our final stop on the boat tour. Okay then, bit of Croatian local action. We're gonna go to a couple of wineries.
One winery.
Just one?
I think so.
Maybe we only got time for one. And then we're just gonna have a couple of glasses.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Absolutely stunning.
Look at all the old grapes.
Whoa, there's loads there.
We're about to drink you. Wow, look at these guys. Oh, I'm so excited for a little glass of wine. Whoa, look at these ones as well.
Oh, they're like red.
So we are heading to a fairly well-renowned Popic winery. Just going to show up, try some wines, have a good time, get on a boat back. That is the summer living. Livin.
What's it?
Wow. Getting pretty good at this one. So the first one we had was a wine called Grok, which is a grape that's grown in the vineyards just behind me. Exclusive to Croatia, only sold in Croatia. The only way you can get it outside of Croatia if you buy it in Croatia and take it out, because there's such a limited grape supply. They only have enough to sell it to Croatian restaurants rather than that, which I find very interesting. This wine is a nice little rosé called Mino grape, or Milo grape, or Mila, or something like that. It basically means small grape because the grapes are so small. They're a red grape to rosé. It's good, this one. I like this one. It's fruity. The waitress said it kind of reminds people of strawberries. Can't exactly say that I'm getting that, but definitely it's like fruity. It's tasty. Cheers. Okay, so there you go. There's her face. And notice as I move it slowly over, dragging her face with me. And her face is behind it, but it's still in the wine glass. What is back? Physics, eh? And lastly, we've got a very deep red wine, as you can see. It's actually a 14% red wine. Same grapes as the rosé, very deep colour. More grapes, but that's what apparently makes it more alcoholic. I'm just going to take her word for it. I'm not normally a fan of red wine, but that's quite sweet.
It's very pungent smell. It really like sticks to your tongue. But it's a sippable one. I'm not a red wine drinker, so I think the Gurk is my favourite. The Gurk.
So it goes the white wine.
Gurk rosé. It is very nice grape.
Cheers.
Bonjour.
Boom, and that was... I've already forgotten the name. That was Popic wine. The last boat back is at 6:50.
And I'm really, really tired.
Let's head back, have a nice hour to debrief, edit this vlog, then be ready for a nice...
And I feel like quite a lot of people would get like the last boat, whereas if we get the second to last boat, it won't be so packed. A little bit of smart thinking for you there.
Well, that's Lois the PA for you.
Joe's just been calling me the PA because I've literally planned this entire thing.
Except for...
No, you booked the flights and the accommodation.
Where we went.
But I've actually booked the actual
So
dates.
what I would break it down into is I'm the macro planner, whereas Lois is the micro planner. You see? Macro, micro.
I mean, I would say I've planned quite a lot of things.
Yeah, there's much more micro things on the holiday than there are macro.
Yeah.
Yeah, thing is, Lois just knows. She's got a very good taste in places, whereas I just...
Joe just comes along for the ride.
Yeah, pretty much.
And he has a good time wherever he is. So, and actually those wines are really yummy.
They were.
As much
White
as I
one
can
was...
drink
Actually,
too much.
Roach is probably my favourite.
I still think the Gurk was good.
Yeah.
The Gurk was good.
And then, probably red wine. I just don't really like them. So even if it's a good red wine, don't quite tell the difference.
I just don't like how it has that like that texture on the tongue.
Yeah, it like sticks to your mouth.
I want something to go down smoothly rather than make you fight to drink it.
And I can even almost still have, like, it's still on my teeth.
Yeah. Is that tannins?
Oh,
I don't know.
I think it might be the tannins.
Tannins are?
Yeah.
No. Shout out to number 69.
Shout out to number 69 subscribers, guys. We made it. Huge milestone for German Low. Big up, Callum.
Oh, crossing the road.
We are now actually already on 70, so I don't know who was after Callum, but thank you to that person. We are only 30 away from 100. Got until August the 31st. Let's make it happen, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching this.
We're watching you. Okay, bye.
I will see you guys tomorrow.
So enjoy the vlog. Subscribe, like, comment and everything and do all that good stuff.
A little behind the scenes of how I edited this vlog. Just enjoying it with the glorious, glorious scenery. That ain't bad, is it? So I'm sitting here on a Croatian pier eating a peach or a nectarine or some kind of citrus fruit. It's got me thinking about this quote. You can put a tin can in the bin and it's rubbish. Or you can put a tin can in a gallery and it becomes art. Now you can spend your whole life designing the tin can, or you can spend your whole life designing the room that you put it in. The reason why I'm thinking of that now was because this might not be the best nectarine I've ever tasted, but by eating it on a beach in the sun, I'm starting to think it might be.